Hi everyone, my name is Muh Alif Nurrohim. I'm a student from Clara 2 Junior High School. So everyone, people know one of the biggest problems in the world is about garbage. One of them is namely plastic waste. And here I will show you which reduce these problems. The way is called recycling plastic waste, and I'm going to make a car toy with plastic bottles. So before we starting, we should prepare the materials and the equipment. For the materials, first we need one plastic bottles like this and string, you can see. For bottle caps, 1, 2, 3, and 4. Plastic straws like this, and then skewers, and the last is paint. For the equipment, first we need a scissor like this, a cutter, paintbrush like this, and the last is glue. You can see. So let's make it. First, we need to clean the plastic bottles and take the label of the bottle like this. Like this. After that, cut a square on one side of the bottles to make one shape using a sharp object like a cutter. Like this. We need to cut 3 sides of the shape so that you can fold it up. Like this. After that, cut 2 skewers about 9 centimeters. You will use these skewers as your axles. And then cut 2 plastic straws about 9 centimeters, about 6 centimeters, like this. And then glue the cut plastic straws on the back side of the plastic bottles. You can paint. You can glue like this. Like this. And one more step. After that, gather 4 bottle caps. You will use these caps as your wheels. Make a holes into the bottle caps using a sharp object. And last. After that, place the bottle caps into the axles of the car, like this. Put it in there. Like this, guys. After that, make a holes into the lid. another string, and thread it through the lid. You can put the string like this. And tie the string. And then put it back on the plastic bottles. Like this, guys. And the last, to make the card toy more colorful, paint it. We use a paintbrush, and I will take the red one. You can paint like this. You can see. And then wait until the paint dry, and you can play a great card toys. So that's all for me. Thank you for watching. Let's be happy with the card. You can play.